Today we're diving into the world of universal remotes, specifically those that work great with the Apple TV 4K. The Siri remote is fantastic, but sometimes you want a few extra buttons, voice control for everything, or a more traditional layout. That's where the universal remote comes in. We'll explore the top 5 options to keep your Apple TV experience smooth and clutter-free. There you have it, the top 5 best universal remotes for your Apple TV 4K. Consider your needs and budget when making your choice. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Number 5. Apple 2022 Apple TV 4K Wi-Fi with 64 GB storage. The Apple TV 4K is a digital media player that allows you to stream content from your favorite services, such as Apple TV+, Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+. It also supports TV streaming from services like YouTube TV and Sling TV. The Apple TV 4K can also be used to play games, listen to music, and view photos. The third-generation Apple TV 4K is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, which is the same chip that is used in the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro. This chip provides plenty of power for streaming 4K HDR content and playing games. The Apple TV 4K also supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, which are HDR formats that provide a wider range of colors and brighter highlights. The Apple TV 4K comes with the Siri remote, 3rd generation, which has been redesigned with a new ClickPad and a USB-C port for charging. Number 4. GE Universal Remote Control, Samsung TV Remote. The GE Universal TV Remote Control Replacement, Universal TV Remote Samsung Remote Control for Smart TV, Roku Replacement Remote, Vizio, LG, Sony, Apple TV, 4-device, Silver 33709 is a remote control that can be programmed to control up to 4 different devices, including TVs, Blu-ray players, streaming media players, cable boxes, satellite receivers, soundbars, and more. Here are some of the key features of the GE Universal Remote Control. Controls up to 4 devices. Pre-programmed for Samsung TVs. Easy to program using the automatic code search or direct code entry methods. Designer finish and ergonomic design for a comfortable grip. If you're looking for a universal remote that can control all of your home entertainment devices, the GE Universal Remote Control is a great option. Number 3. SofaBaton X1S Universal Remote with Hub. The SofaBaton X1S Universal Remote with Hub is a high-end universal remote control designed to simplify your home entertainment setup. It boasts a number of features that make it a compelling option for those seeking a one-stop solution for controlling their devices. Features of the SofaBaton X1S Universal Remote. Wide device compatibility. The X1S can control up to 60+ devices from over 6,000 brands, including TVs, soundbars, streaming devices, gaming consoles, and more. Voice control. The X1S works with both Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control your devices using voice commands. Powerful hub. The included hub provides a strong and reliable signal, meaning you won't need to point the remote directly at your devices. Number 2. BN5901-385 A Solar Voice Remote Replacement for Samsung TV. This is a replacement remote specifically designed for Samsung TVs from 2021 to 2023, particularly Neo QLED, the Frame, and Crystal UHD series. It boasts several features that make it a compelling option for these Samsung smart TVs. Here's a breakdown of the BN5901-385A Solar-powered with rechargeable backup. This remote eliminates the need for disposable batteries. Voice control functionality. Built-in microphone allows you to use voice commands to control your Samsung TV. Bluetooth connectivity. Connects to your Samsung TV via Bluetooth for a more reliable and responsive connection compared to traditional infrared (IR) remotes. Number 1.4-in-1 Universal Backlit IR Learning Remote for use with Apple TV. This is a remote control designed to consolidate the control of multiple streaming devices and a/V equipment into a single unit. Here's a closer look at its features. Supported devices. This remote is pre-programmed to work with popular streaming devices like Apple TV, Roku, Xbox, Kodi, and Video Shield. It also boasts compatibility with most streamers and other a/V devices. Programmable buttons. If your specific device isn't pre-programmed, you can use the remote's learning function to program buttons for compatibility. Backlit buttons. The remote features backlit buttons, making it easy to use even in low-light conditions. There you have it, the top 5 universal remotes for Apple TV 4K. Remember, the best choice for you depends on your needs and budget. Thanks for watching.